their barn sale to online in July. So, can I say shit out of luck? I don't know if I can say we're pooped out of luck here in Canada. We can't order because they don't deliver here. I want to get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me. I don't know what to tell you, but I couldn't wait. I didn't bother getting dressed for you, but I am wearing one of my favorite t-shirts. Check this out. In a world full of princesses, be a Beth. Do you watch Yellowstone? I do. I love this. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in this channel, I am check obsessed, and I buy and I share MacKenzie-Childs everything with you guys. I do dab a little bit in whimsical furniture painting, like this piece behind me. Not the lamp. The lamp I purchased, but oh my gosh, that is so cute. I painted that and I have that on video. If you're interested in and see how I did it, by all means, join my channel. Subscribe, hit that red button below and hit the bell. Turn it to black. That's very, very important. Turn it to black so that when I post, you can see it. MacKenzie-Childs has sucked me in and I absolutely love them in every color shade and squares and triangles and oh my gosh, you name it. Let's get back into this video. The MacKenzie-Childs warehouse sale for 2024, the fall one was October 11th, Friday, Saturday, Sundays, 11, 12, and 13. My eyes were just popping everywhere. Do you think that I could stop? No. MacKenzie-Childs warehouse sale, the fall one. Of course I'm going to be excited. And that was in, I believe, Union Springs. It's a little town just before Aurora, New York, just before getting to MacKenzie-Childs. I didn't realize that they were going to have a sale because normally they have it at the end of September. Warehouse sales are fantastic. Really lucky that some of the prices have been even better than the barn sale. That's just what I found. You do you. You want to search, depends what you're looking for. You find pieces that were kind of the one-offs or maybe samples. These sometimes are the most unique pieces because there could be one of a kind. Who knows? That's why I love this sale because you can get these kind of very unique pieces. This globe is so pretty and it is the farmhouse, the MacKenzie-Childs farmhouse. And I love the details of it. Love the gold, the dots, and then the stripes over here. The house is really pretty. Detailing here, more gold and more stripes. Yeah, there's a battery in here and then you just turn it. And it was $39. It's easy to buy the whole store, but you know what? I have a budget. I have to stay within that budget. Maybe some people can look at it as Christmas piece. Not for me. I put it right here in my office. The next pieces I bought is, of course, some more napkins. I really like these napkins. They're sort of Christmassy, but they have a nice stripe. Show you how they look in the back. 15 napkins, and it's a triple ply, 33 centimeters by 40. So they are a real good size. So if you're going to do decoupage, they're $4.50 each. The last time I was there, I got one of these in black, and now I got one in gray. These were $49, so they were 20% off, and then an additional 20%. So I wound up getting them for $30-something. This is a fabulous deal. Holidays around the corner. Who wouldn't want to put these on their table with their cheese and their, oh yeah, oh, Christmas gifts or holiday gifts? If you follow me, I have 4 kettles, but they are all the 3-liter kettles. And I wanted something a little different because I have the check black and white. And then I have the flower market one, and I've got one with just, I don't even know what it's called. I wanted something a little bit more of their latest collection, and I wanted something smaller. I was looking for the 2-liter. For those of you who don't know, this is the pink line, came out last year, the year before, I think it was last year. Oh my gosh, I can't explain. It's just so chic. But I really wanted something in pink and I didn't know what to get, but I did want to get the 2-liter. So this was absolutely perfect for me. You get a 2-liter and it's pink. And that's how it looks. And it does have that little crystal knob on top and the beautiful gold around here. So the 2-liter was $89. I do love her. She's so pretty, isn't she? This next item, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a clue. I'm gonna flip it over so that you can see. So I've been wanting to get these. I love these. I don't know what they're called, but these little green plants I love these. But around here, when I go to Michael's, you're looking around $9 each piece. So I thought, you know, if I want to put something together, it's going to cost me an arm and a leg. And then I'll have to throw in my firstborns. Oh, come on. Look how pretty. It has all of those, and I don't have to do anything. You can use year round. I mean, it's got the shape sort of a pumpkin, but it doesn't have to be a pumpkin. It can be just a round vase. You know what? Who cares? Use it where you want it, and it doesn't matter what time of the year. It has the MacKenzie-Childs stamp on the bottom. $49. $49. For $49, it's cheaper than buying these in the store and sticking them in something, right? And here you have an authentic MacKenzie-Childs piece with this absolutely beautiful stamp in the bottom, and you've got your pieces. So there you go. The next item I'm just gonna show you because it's gonna take too long for me to unwrap it. This lamp behind me, I purchased 2 of those in this last shopping spree. For those of you who don't know, I'm going to show you this chest. So I bought 2 of those lamps the last sale, and I love them so much. And I wanted to create a table that would match with it. Of course, a normal person wouldn't do that. A normal person would, you know, maybe add a pillow. But no, I'm not normal. So I had to create a table to match it, and I'm gonna show you that. My office faces the front of the house, so this is one in this window, and then my dining room faces the front of the house on the other side of the hall. So I've got these 2 in front of the window on each side of the house. There is something else that I bought. Okay, I didn't buy it, my husband did. Now this piece over here that I'm gonna share with you, there was only one of these in the sale, and there was quite a few people that were saying, are you taking that? If you're not, I'll take it. No, and hubby's going, no, I'm taking it. Always finds these kind of wild things, and so why not? We needed another wild thing, right? Last year we got the purple pumpkin because he loves purple. This year he got himself a girlfriend. Are you ready? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Oh, she is so pretty. This is a planter. It has a face. She almost looks like me. Her head's a little bigger though, right? Yeah, I think so. Look, we're twins. Look, it has a crown of flowers, and what they've done here is they've painted some of the flowers. Look how pretty. And look at the planter inside. Okay, and at the bottom, they have more. So we're going to have to find a spot for it in the springtime. Hubby was saying, instead of putting flowers, he said, why don't we get one of those boxwood balls? So I think that's what we're going to do next year. So pretty. It's a new friend. I'm getting a little jealous. Stop in Hobby Lobby on the way back. They had all their Christmas stuff at 50% off. Thanksgiving, fall, anything fall decor was 40% off. I couldn't come back to Canada without stopping there. These napkins, and then I got some dessert plates. And then I've got some dinner plates. 40% off, you couldn't beat that. And because this was Christmas, my tree, it is fog tree. It's a flock. I think it's called flock tree. Okay, it's got fake snow on it. I don't know what this material is called. It has these little jingles here. And they were regular $11.99. I got them half price from $11. Jingle, jingle. Stay tuned for that. These were regular $10.99, so I got it 50% off. And there is 8 of them. It wasn't even a buck each. Come on, you can't beat that. I got some of these in round, and I got them in these little star shaped. There is 4 of them in here. But stay tuned for that. It's regular $2.49. You're looking at about 31 cents each. I do want to show you something that's a future project, but you're going to want to see this one. Hobby Lobby had their fabric at 40% off. Think I can walk away? No. So this was, I forget, like $7. I got 2 yards or 3 yards. But I had to share that with you because, you know, you guys are my peeps. And then I got the striped one. The lady at the store, when she was cutting the fabric, she goes, "Oh, you're making me dizzy." I said, "Oh, I'm sorry, but yeah, cut me 2 more. How about this one with just polka dots?" Now, I did see this fabric that I hadn't seen before, and I thought, oh, I really want to make some pillows. And it's a musical tone. If music is your thing, I can't play a single instrument if my life depended on it. But I can sing, maybe. But I love music. I know that. I love music. You know, my health is getting a lot better and I'm starting to get back in the groove of things. And I really want to thank each and every one of you for all your beautiful messages of concern of how I've been doing and wanting me to come back. And you guys, I always say my viewers are the best. You guys friggin' rock. You do more for me than you will ever know. So I'm just putting it out there. Well, that's all I have to share with you on this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up because that means so much for the algorithm and it helps YouTube push out my videos. So please, if you can, give me a thumbs up. That's so important for the channel and it'll help it grow. So for now, that's it. Take care of yourself, be kind to each other, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. I love you guys and I can't wait to see you next week. Take care.
Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway.